Y chicos, now we are on page 382, 11.2, por and para. Bien, let's do this. Vamos a ver, por and para. There are certain rules that we need to remember. That's the only way to remember when to use por and para. Unlike English, Spanish has two words to mean for and para. Bien, these two prepositions are not interchangeable. Study the following charts to see how they use. Here, let's use por here on the left and para on the right. For movement, we have por, through or by a place. For example, la excursión nos llevó por el centro. The tour took us through downtown. Por. This por is related to movement, but this is the meaning or the translation, through or by a place. Talking about movement, but now toward a direction, a destination, sorry. Mis amigos van para el estadio. Para el estadio, talking about movement, destination. My friends are going to the stadium. Para. Okay, this is talking about movement, por and para. Now, time. Duration of an event for por. Ana chateó por 2 horas. Ana chatted for 2 hours. Time, action, deadline. Tengo que escribir un ensayo para mañana. I have to write an essay by tomorrow. Deadline or action deadline, time, para, duration of an event, talking about time, por. Action, por, reason or motive for an action or circumstance. Llegué a casa tarde por el tráfico. I got home late because of the traffic. Bien. Action, indication of for whom something is intended or done. Estoy preparando una sorpresa para Eduardo. I'm preparing a surprise for Eduardo. Bien. So this is the 3 basic rules, and here we have another list that help us remember. Here's a list of uses for and para. Por and para, sorry. Here, por is used to indicate. Here we have the rules on the left and examples to the right. Por is used for movement, motion, or general location. Pasamos por el parque y por el río. Number 2, time, duration of an action, for, during, or in. Estuve en la Patagonia por un mes. Number 3, action, reason or motive for an action, because of or on account of or on behalf of. Lo hizo por su familia. Number 4, object of a search, for or in search of. Vengo por ti a las 8. I'm coming for you at 8. Very common. Number 4 is very common. We use it a lot. Number 5, means by which something is done. By way of, by means of. We're talking about por. Don't forget. Ellos viajan por la autopista. They travel by the highway. Number 6, exchange or substitution, for or in exchange for. Le di dinero por el cargador. And the last one is unit of measure, per or by. José manejaba a 120 kilómetros por hora. Por hora. And chicos, so this is por. Let's go to the next one. Next page. Para is used to indicate, number 1, movement or destination. Salimos para Córdoba el sábado. Time, deadline or specific time in the future. Él va a arreglar el carro para el viernes. As I read in Spanish, you read the same thing in English, which is right below. Bien. Number 3, action, purpose or goal, plus infinitive, in order to. Juan estudia para mecánico. Number 4, purpose plus noun. Es una llanta para el carro. Number 5, the recipient of something. Compré una impresora para mi hijo. Number 6, comparison with others of or an opinion. For or considering. Para un joven es demasiado serio. Para mí, esta lección no es difícil. And the last one, number 7, in the employment of. Sara trabaja para Telecom Argentina. Bien, and here we have the last rule. In many cases, it is grammatically correct to use either por or para in the sentence. The meaning of the sentence is different, however, depending on which preposition is used. For example, caminé por el parque. I walked through the park. Caminé para el parque. I walked to the park. My destination was the park. Another example. Trabajó por su padre. He worked for his father. in place of. Trabajó para su padre. He worked for his father's company. Bien, so you can use the por and para, this preposition in the same sentence, but the meaning will change. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.